Hi everyone, I'm Aura. I'm one of your content creators at the University of Staffordshire, and today in my humble abode, I'd like to take you through a little bit as to why I chose to study computer science at the University of Staffordshire. Now there's a lot to get through, but don't worry, I'll try and break it down into 5 main points. So hopefully by the end of this, you'll be convinced to join us on campus and perhaps even put us as one of your top 5 choices for UCAS. So buckle in, get a tea ready, get a tea brewing, and let's get started. Reason number 1 is module content. When I was looking at different websites, including UCAS, I found that a lot of universities that were initially my top choices didn't actually cover what I wanted them to throughout the module courses themselves. I found that a lot of them were very textbook based and heavy, perhaps having some outdated things in there, which wasn't really the best for me. What I wanted was something that was current to the industry, accredited by things that ensured they were current to the industry, and at the same time gave me hands-on practice and practicals that by the end of my degree I could come out with projects to put on my CV. When I looked at the staff's website, I found that it had exactly what I needed. And by scrolling down now, you can actually find what your possible future ones will be. For computer science, you get optional ones in your second and third year. But if you are doing something specialized, for example, AI, cybersecurity, software development, or cloud and network computing, you might have something that perhaps only gives you one option because everyone else is chosen for you because it is a set pathway. So think about what is best for you, what is in your best interests, and check out the website. Reason number 2 is career flexibility. So what that means to me is the fact that when I choose something, I want to know that I can go into the industry and I can sometimes swap careers if needed or branch into different things as I discover my likes and dislikes. Through doing computer science, I have that flexibility because in your first year, even if you go into the specialized pathways, by the way, you get to cover a little bit of everything to ensure that you have that background core concepts and knowledge to keep you going throughout and see what you actually like and dislike. So you'll have a little bit of AI, a tiny bit of cyber, some cloud computing dashed in there, but then only in your second and third years, you do actually specialize in that case. That's something that's really brilliant to me. At the same time, you also get to have experience with the careers, employability and placement team, which support you throughout your entire journey. So they do a little bit of CV interviews, they do lots of advice for yourself, and you're able to book with them for appointments on Handshake, which is our registered website to help you with career employability. That team is brilliant. The experience I've had with them so far has been amazing, and they're absolutely always on it. Reason number 3, there we go, is student culture. When you are looking online and looking about stuff like Stoke-on-Trent and local campuses at the University of Staffordshire, you'll find that everything is sort of catered towards students. We've got the new student village being built, but at the same time, we have lots of amazing things on campus to kind of get you going, get you social, and get you happy. We've got things like societies, including our Staff's Computing Society, which definitely brought me out of my shell. And you've got other things like club nights and even support services that are just really there to help you and ensure that throughout your degree, you're kept happy, kept healthy, and you just get exactly what you need to as a student. Number 4, this time, I promise, I am showing number 4, is university support. I mentioned a tiny little bit about this before, but there are lots of amazing services at the University of Staffordshire that can really, really help you out. Now, these services include everything from mental well-being all the way down to legal and financial. Every step of the way, there is always someone there to help you, including through basic things like course reps, subject reps, course directors, and honestly, the list goes on. When I read about it on the website, I sort of said, you know what? This is really great and it's really helpful because if I need it, it is definitely there. And definitely make use of it when you're here because who doesn't want free advice? Reason number 5 is pricing. Let's be honest, as a student, we want to make sure that student finance loan goes all the way. You want to be living, well, rather you want to be thriving, not surviving. So, fun fact about Stoke-on-Trent, which is one of our campuses here at the University of Staffordshire, it is actually one of the cheapest cities to live and rent in across the whole of UK. So when I read that online, I decided, you know what, Staffs is definitely for me. I want to make sure that my rent goes all the way and that I can afford basic necessities like food, electricity, and so forth. So when looking at local landlords through services like ResLife, GreenPad, and just local rent, I knew that I would make sure that I can pay rent, I can pay food, and I can live here as a student comfortably and happily. So that was my top 5 reasons as to why you should study at the University of Staffordshire. So hopefully see you next year studying here, perhaps computing. Come join our cohort, and hopefully we're one of your top 5 picks on UCAS. And if not, don't worry. There's always clearing. So see you then.